Hi guys, GBP on a week-long wild roller coaster. Let's recap quickly to bring you the timeline. Starting off with last Thursday, remember the Bank of England, so the central bank of the United Kingdom, were not so dovish, right? So GBP was allowed to rally quite firmly. Again, the following session last Friday, we further moved to the north, and that was thanks to a large amount of dollar weakness that was seen across the board. Remember, I showed you on the IGTV, we had that ascending wedge structure, which we broke out of, allowing for a nice flush of downside pressure. Bears really in control there. And then Monday, all of that pumping of Thursday and Friday, reversed. GBP was slammed because Boris Johnson came out of a hard-line stance on the EU, regarding about the following of EU rules, and he'd be happy to just leave the negotiations if they don't get the deal that they want. So markets were sparking with panic, and so GBP came off then on Monday. Then Tuesday, just gone, we started to reverse and saw a technical correction for the pound once again, and that was a little bit thanks to as well, on the fundamental side of things, we had decent construction PMI data as well, so one of the leading industries within the United Kingdom. And then today, once again, literally this roller coaster, GBP hit hard once again because there are reports suggesting that EU could look to tweak, adjust the MIFID rules. So what is MIFID? I just want to quickly put it into a nutshell. It's basically a set of financial rules or rules that financial firms must follow to avoid any potential future financial crisis. Okay, and there is suggested that the EU could tweak these rules in favour of European financial firms. Why would they do that? Because remember, London is the literally the financial hub of Europe. Okay, so if, for example, they tweak those more in favour of, European nations, remember you've got your other leading financial hubs in likes of Paris after London, of course, you've got Frankfurt again after London, and Brussels. If they tweak that, then essentially things may be more competitive, or businesses may want to start averting or diverting away from London into those European financial hubs as opposed to London, right? So it's essentially EU's way potentially of stealing some business from the capital, London, and of course the financial hub. And again, another low blow there from the EU. And it just shows that things are still sour in terms of relationships between the UK and the EU, as Joe and I have noted, obviously on a variety of videos, and of course this ahead of when they're due to start their meeting and continue with formal talks in March. Okay, so absolute roller coaster there for GBP. Difficult one to, well, actually, it does present quite a few opportunities to trade. Actually, if you know those key zones, we're all over that anyway as part of the Freak Network.io for the members. Other than that, let's get it.